Hello my friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make some miniature books and bigger books with just paper and a stapler. And if you have tape and stuff, that's extra, but I'll show you that later. Okay, here we go. So you might have one of these, a 3x5 index card. This is, like something you would write your little flashcards on or whatever for school. So this I just took, this is a really super simple one. Took two of those unlined ones and just folded them in half and stapled it, right? Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. And that makes a cute little miniature book that you could do something with. Okay, then we can talk more about what you could do with books. Now my little stapler won't go all the way in here to staple a book that I made out of paper cut in half. So just took one of these, cut it in half, and then folded it. And that makes this size of a book. So what I'm gonna do is take the stapler and just staple right on the edge, right? Through all the layers. I'm gonna stand up and really smush that down. Okay, there's one. I'm gonna do another in the middle. And I'm gonna do one on the end again. Okay, so then here's your little book. It's not gonna fall apart. And it's just kind of got this little bit of a wonky, you gotta kind of fold that back. But then there you go. Very cool. See, I use different colors of paper and stuff just to entertain myself. So there's that. Now, that's two books. Now here's some where I took the 3x5 card and cut pieces of paper that size, different colors, and then I took a harder piece of orange paper, and we love orange, don't we? And then you just fold those in half, right? Then you can just use your thumb, or you can use something like a hard marker like this and crease it. And then there's your little book. Now that will fit in my stapler. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put the cover on the top, go in, staple one about a little ways down, and then another one about the same amount from the bottom. That's what it is from the top. Roughly, whatever. So there it is with the staples. And then look at that adorable book. Oh my goodness, I want to write stuff in there. So that you could use that as a journal, a diary. You could, it could be a picture book. It could be anything. And of course you can decorate the cover with any way you can imagine, right? Stamps, whatever. And then what I wanted to show you on this book is that you can take some either masking tape. I have this colored masking tape. I think that would work good. Washi tape, the paper tape. That's fun. Regular Scotch tape. That's colored. Or even crazy big duct tape. Anyway, you can take any of this kind of tape and put it over the staples. And I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer than I need, so I can just cut it off. And I'm just pushing it down over the staples and then push it down on the other side, and that kind of makes it more, staples don't poke into your hand a little bit. Then I'm just gonna trim off that little bit on the top and bottom. And voila, how cute is that? Super cute. So that's 3 books, but wait, there's more, one more book. So I took a big piece of paper, right, and I cut it just in half. Chew, that way. You could do it either way, actually. Make a really long one, that'd be kind of cool if you did it the long ways. But anyway, I didn't. And then I put hard paper on the outside, cardstock on the outside, and then I filled it with different colors of paper, but this could also be just white paper, could even be notebook paper, whatever. Then the kind of cool thing is that you can see the different colors on the edge, right? So now I'm gonna take my stapler. You guessed it. Now, you can staple it along the long way, right? And have a book that opens like this. Or you could staple it along this way and have a book that opens like that. And for some reason, I wanna do that, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put it here, staple it hard, put it in the middle, and on the end. There you go. I'm gonna take some of this crazy duct tape. Can you guys rip duct tape? Sometimes I can't. Sometimes it just turns into a mangle. Anyway, again, I'm gonna just put it a little bit on both sides so I can trim it off. Sort of makes it extra strong, right? Duct tape. And that could be silver duct tape, any color duct tape. Even just regular tape. Okay, and again, this one is like where you have to fold it back. And then once you do that, you got your book all set. So what can you write in there? So many things, so many ideas, so many feelings you're having, so many affirmations of who you really are and that it's gonna be okay. And you know what? It is, and it is right now. And I love you guys, and I just hope you have a great day today. Mwah.